Beauty soap begins with carefully selected oils, botanicals, and natural fragrances. Moisture level looks right on this batch. Coconut palms supply cleansing oils valued for their abundant natural lather.
Those brown shells are ready for collection.
Clear below before lowering that cluster. Lavender fields contribute calming fragrance and recognizable botanical character naturally. Aroma is strongest before the afternoon heat. Rose farms harvest delicate petals before sunlight weakens their aromatic oils.
Keep these trays out of direct sunlight.
Oat farms grow soothing grains used in mild exfoliating soap.
This section is ready for clean harvesting.
Mark this row for the morning pass. Fresh olive fruit contains valuable oil beneath its smooth green skin. Firm flesh and clean aroma confirm good maturity. Record this under field lot 12.
Mature coconuts hold creamy kernels rich in cleansing fatty acids.
Dense white meat should yield excellent cleansing oil.
Place this one with the premium lot.
Shea kernels reveal dense natural fats prized for conditioning skin.
The interior color is clean and consistent.
Moisture remains within the approved range. Lavender blossoms preserve aromatic compounds inside thousands of tiny purple flowers.
This bundle meets our fragrance standard.
Rose petals carry volatile fragrance compounds requiring careful morning collection.
Keep the trays cool to preserve.
Whole oats provide gentle texture and naturally soothing skin benefits.
The kernels are dry, clean, and evenly developed. Seal this sample for the laboratory.
Botanical ingredients are inspected closely before entering any beauty formula. Every ingredient must pass visual inspection bridges. Veteran harvesters select ripe olives using practiced judgment and precision.
Keep the comb shallow around the young branches.
Experienced crews collect coconuts safely while protecting every valuable kernel.
Lower it slowly, the landing zone is clear.
Secure the next cluster before raising. Lavender harvesting preserves flower quality through cool, carefully timed cutting. Keep the flower heads level and loosely packed. Bundle tension looks good on this row. Rose petals are collected gently to protect their fragile aromatic compounds.
No compressed petals. Keep every layer loose.
Harvested oats complete the natural ingredient journey towards soap production. The first cosmetic-grade load is ready. Collected olives are sorted immediately to protect freshness and oil quality.
Keep the darker fruit with a high oil batch.
Fresh coconuts undergo visual grading before entering protected transport crates. This one sounds full and properly mature. Shea fruit is separated carefully by maturity, condition, and source.
Keep immature fruit separate for later evaluation.
Lavender bundles are cooled quickly to preserve delicate aromatic compounds. Rose petals and oats receive careful source-level quality screening before shipment.
Seal both containers after verification.
Workers load olive crates evenly to prevent bruising during transportation.
Secure the rear row before moving.
Lower 6 inches and hold the bin steady.
All 4 corners are properly seated.
Coconuts are secured inside padded bins for controlled highway transport. Shea kernels travel in breathable sacks that control heat and moisture.
Keep the sacks upright and away from the trailer walls.
Humidity remains stable across this row. Lavender and rose materials require shaded, temperature-managed loading conditions throughout.
Close the door immediately after the final row.
Cosmetic oats are loaded into sealed food-grade bulk containers carefully.
Stop the auger when the target weight turns green.
Target weight confirmed and seal recorded. Temperature sensors protect fragile botanicals throughout the long transportation journey.
All readings remain stable.
Drivers monitor secure loads while following strict American highway regulations. Cargo remains secure and refrigeration is holding steady. Every shipment receives digital tracking from origin toward the soap plant.
Receiving bays are confirmed and ready.
All raw material shipments have arrived within their scheduled windows. Proceed slowly toward receiving bay 3.
Receiving teams verify seals before unloading any incoming natural ingredients.
Calibrated truck scales confirm every incoming shipment's accurate delivered weight. Weight is stable and within tolerance. Inspectors compare supplier documents against labels, seals, and purchase specifications. Harvest dates. Laboratory sample botanical oils and before production acceptance. Approved materials receive identification tags before entering controlled storage areas.
Keep every lot segregated until laboratory approval is complete.
Incoming olives are washed thoroughly before mechanical oil extraction begins.
Increase the final rinse slightly for this dusty lot.
The rinse water is running clear now. Coconuts are cleaned and opened, before their valuable kernels are removed. Send the clean halves to separation.
Shea nuts are cleaned, dried, and prepared for controlled crushing. Keep the kernel temperature below the approved maximum. Moisture is now within specification.
Raisins. Delicate botanicals are cleaned gently to preserve fragrance and appearance. Keep the airflow low enough to cosmetic oats pass through multiple screens that remove unwanted material. Final purity is above the required level.
Prepared olives enter crushers that release oil from their cellular structure.
Feed rate is stable at the target setting.
The paste is uniform with no oversized fruit pieces.
Coconut kernels are separated carefully from shells before precision grinding. Kernel flow is clean and consistent. Roasted shea kernels become easier to mill into a rich paste.
The kernels have reached the correct roasted color and aroma.
Begin milling at the approved temperature. Phase. Lavender and roses begin controlled extraction inside sealed stainless vessels.
Confirm the gasket is clean before
Clean oats are milled gently into fine, soothing cosmetic powder.
Particle size meets the gentle exfoliation standard.
olive paste is mixed slowly to help tiny oil droplets combine. Temperature remains steady throughout the tank. Centrifugal separation divides olive oil from water and solid material.
Separation efficiency remains within target.
Coconut kernel particles enter heated presses that release clear natural oil. Pressure is releasing oil without scorching the coconut solids.
Filtered coconut oil moves toward storage under carefully controlled temperatures.
The filtered oil is bright and clear.
Ground shea paste is pressed to recover its dense conditioning fat. The press cake is firm, and recovery remains efficient. Clarification removes remaining particles from warm, freshly extracted shea butter.
Clarity has improved.
Agile. Botanical extracts are filtered repeatedly for clarity, aroma, and consistency.
Both extracts remain clear with their characteristic. Oat powder is classified by particle size for gentle exfoliation.
Fine fraction percentage meets the formulation target.
Measured oils enter sanitary tanks where the soap formula begins.
All 3 base oils match the approved formula and batch record.
Confirm every valve before starting the automated mixing sequence.
Automated controls combine ingredients precisely before full soap processing starts.
Caustic solution is prepared carefully for the controlled saponification reaction.
Keep the addition slow while the cooling jacket.
Cooling jacket removes.
Operators meter alkaline solution slowly into the warmed oil mixture.
Begin dosing at the minimum rate and
Heat and agitation transform blended oils into a stable soap base.
the emulsion is developing even.
The alkalinity trend is falling exactly as the model predicts. Sensors track temperature and alkalinity throughout every stage of saponification. The soap mass cooks evenly until the chemical reaction finishes. Cooking time has reached the approved endpoint. Natural glycerin remain within the formula to support skin moisture. Glycerin retention meets the moisturizing specification.
Add only the calculated amount and maintain constant circulation.
Adjustment quantity matches the validated batch.
Technicians adjust the batch carefully for smooth.
Vacuum drying removes excess moisture while protecting the soap's quality. The material is firm while remaining flexible enough for refining. Dried soap becomes firm granules, ready for further refinement. Granule size remains consistent across the discharge.
Intermediate storage keeps each soap batch identified and protected carefully.
Every batch remains sealed and identified until formula.
Color dispersions are measured precisely for uniform beauty soap appearance.
The measured pigment must match the approved shade exactly. Bitters. Fragrance oils enter slowly to preserve their delicate aromatic character. Add the most volatile components after the blend cools. Oat powder and botanical extracts add texture and skin benefits. All botanical additions are entering evenly.
Maintain the cooling rate while the additives distribute completely.
Intensive mixing distributes every eye throughout this. Roll mills compress the soap repeatedly into smooth, uniform sheets. The sheet is smooth with no visible color streaks.
Refining screens remove imperfections before the material enters final forming. System verification passed. Resume product flow. Vacuum plotting removes trapped air while forming a continuous soap billet. Billet dimensions and temperature remain stable.
Automatic cutters divide the continuous billet into accurately sized blanks.
confirms synchronized timing before increasing the high-pressure dies stamp each blank into its finished beauty bar shape. The die surface is clean and correctly aligned. The formed edges are clean and complete. Freshly formed bars enter conditioning before detailed quality inspection begins.
Maintain gentle airflow so conditioned bars stabilize before entering the final surface finishing process.
Keep airflow gentle, so the stamped surfaces precision buffers smooth minor edges without changing each bar's dimensions. Edge finish is clean without excessive removal. Controlled air removes loose particles before bars reach inspection stations. Maintain low pressure around the embossed floral details.
Every beauty bar receives final conditioning for strength and durability. Keep every tray spaced evenly for balance. Release the batch slowly and maintain equal spacing between lanes.
Finished bars move forward with uniform shape, texture, and fragrance.
Inspectors examine every surface for cracks, dents, or discoloration carefully. This bar has a clean...
Digital scales confirm each bar meets the approved target weight. Automated and manual measurements agree within the approved tolerance. Average weight remains centered on specification. Precision calipers verify consistent length, width, thickness, curvature, and dimensions.
All dimensions...
Trained specialists compare color consistency under standardized inspection lighting conditions.
Shade consistency is excellent across the sampled bars.
Fragrance evaluations ensure every batch matches its approved aromatic profile.
The floral character is balanced and matches the approved standard.
The cameras are checking every surface at full production speed.
Automated cameras identify surface defects invisible during rapid manual inspection. Rejected bars are isolated immediately for investigation and controlled reprocessing. Trace the defect to the corresponding die cavity. Soap hardness testing confirms bars withstand handling, packaging, and shipping.
The bar resists pressure without cracking or permanent deformation. Lather testing measures foam volume, texture, stability, and rinsing performance.
Foam density matches the retained reference sample.
Quality teams verify complete traceability before releasing finished production lots.
All inspections, materials, and process records are...
Laboratory chemists measure pH to confirm safe, balanced finished soap.
Allow the
Moisture must remain balanced for hardness and storage stability. Moisture analysis confirms bars remain stable throughout their intended shelf life. Analysts verify fragrance strength using calibrated instruments and retained standards.
Use sterile technique throughout every sampling and transfer step. Microbiological screening confirms finished.
Comprehensive results determine whether each batch advances toward final packaging.
Every required laboratory result meets the finished product specification.
Released soap bars receive final cleaning before packaging operations begin.
Surface cleanliness is fully confirmed.
Technicians verify bar fragrance and dimensions one final time.
Approved bars align automatically for smooth, uninterrupted packaging line transfer.
Protective airflow keeps finished bars clean before wrappers touch them.
Positive airflow protects every bar until the wrapper closes.
Clean zone pressure remains stable.
Packaging teams confirm materials, settings, and traceability before line startup.
Confirm every packaging component before. Automated feeders space every soap bar evenly for individual wrapping.
Every bar must enter the wrapper centered and evenly spaced.
Printed wrapper material unwinds smoothly under carefully controlled tension. Keep tension steady so every design remains centered. Sensors center each bar precisely inside its protective wrapper material. Centering correction is complete. Heat-sealing jaws close wrappers tightly without damaging the soap surface. Seal pressure remains inside the validated range. Wrapped bars pass through cooling guides that stabilize every sealed edge.
Cool every seal completely before the package reaches inspection.
Vision systems inspect wrapper alignment, print quality, and seal integrity. Every printed panel and sealed edge is being treated. Rejected packages leave the line automatically for immediate investigation. Date coders print clear production details onto every finished package. Barcode scanners verify every package against the approved production record. Every barcode must match the approved product and active batch.
Labels communicate ingredients, weight, directions, and required safety information.
All required information must be readable and correctly.
Confirm every printed detail before packages enter retail cartons.
Operators confirm print accuracy before Final package inspection combines cameras, check weighers, and human verification. All final inspection systems are operating normally. Cartoning machines group wrapped bars into accurate retail pack quantities. Every carton must receive the Completed cartons receive final checks before automated case packing begins. Confirm the bottom seal before releasing cases to product loading.
Shipping cases are for automatically shipping.
Case dimensions and bottom closure are correct. Retail cartons enter shipping cases in precisely counted, organized groups. Every case must contain the correct count, with labels facing consistently. Closed cases receive labels linking contents with complete production records. Shipping label position and data are correct.
Automated palletizers build stable loads using programmed stacking patterns.
Maintain the interlocking pattern to protect. Stretch wrapping protects palletized soap during warehouse handling and transport. Film tension and pallet stability are approved. Warehouse scanners assign every pallet a verified storage location immediately.
System location confirms aisle 12, level 2, position 4.
Climate monitoring preserves soap quality throughout organized warehouse storage periods.
Stable temperature protects fragrance, hardness, and wrapper performance during storage.
Every case remains traceable from production batch to customer destination.
Inventory software tracks every case, pallet, batch, and destination continuously.
Veteran forklift operators move finished pallets through marked warehouse aisles safely. Position is clear. Raise slowly to level 2. Cycle counts verify physical inventory against digital warehouse records daily. Physical count matches the system without variance. Retail orders are selected accurately from clearly identified storage zones. The selected pallets match the outbound order.
Picked pallets undergo final checks before entering outbound staging lanes.
No pallet moves to loading until every condition check passes. Outbound teams verify order quantities, destination seals, and shipping documents.
Order quantity, trailer assignment, and destination information match completely.
Shipping documentation is accurate and complete.
Pallets are loaded carefully to maintain stability throughout road transportation.
Place the heaviest pallet forward and maintain side. Restraints must prevent movement without compressing the shipping cases. Load bars and straps secure every pallet inside shipping trailers. All restraints are tightened within specification. Electronic seals and route documents complete the controlled shipping process. Seal number is recorded and confirmed.
Seal identification must match the approved shipping document exactly.
Delivery trucks depart the facility carrying traceable beauty soap orders. Outbound shipment is officially in transit. Distribution centers receive, scan, and inspect every incoming soap shipment. The load arrived intact with no evidence of movement. Retail teams stock beauty soap neatly on clean store shelves.
Place the newest delivery behind the existing approved stock.
The display is full and correctly rotated. A carefully controlled journey brings premium beauty soap to consumers.
The new beauty soap shipment is fully stocked.